Oops. Let me see. Can you guys see me? Hey guys. Hi. Just gonna wait until people are joining. I am here online just to say hi and invite you guys to my free Excel training, which is happening right now in 5 minutes. Let me know, guys, who wants to join the training. I'm actually logging in right now. Why is it so cold today? It's crazy. Hi. So everyone, will be so happy to see you at my free Excel training, which is happening in 5 minutes. And the link is in my stories. If you go to my stories on Instagram, there's a direct link to the webinar room. Just click on it, put your first name and email, and you can connect and study with me today. I'm going to show today some awesome Excel tips and functions. They help me personally, they help my students and people who attend my trainings to work faster, be more productive, and go from confused Excel user to an Excel pro. So I am very excited to see you guys at the webinar in 4 minutes. 4 minutes, guys. Yay. Yes, link is in my stories. If you go ahead and you click on my profile, there's going to be a circle with my picture. Click on it, and there you're going to see a story with the link. Yeah, I see some people can find the link. Just click on my profile, Excel Tips for All, and then click on the little circle with my picture, and you will see the link there. Thank you, guys. Let me know how you guys feeling today. Are you excited for New Year? I am opening the webinar right now. I'm just going to open it on my iPad so I can see all the comments. So you guys go and click on that link, and I will see you in 4 minutes. 4 minutes, and we will finish this year good with some awesome Excel tips which you can implement at your work, and we will start at 2024 with the right mood, productive and happy. Yay, I see someone excited for New Year. I'm so excited. I always get this feeling like something new and, fun and it's gonna come. Like that feeling of something new is gonna happen. I love that feeling. Where's the link? Link is in my stories. Click on my profile. Let me show you. I'm going to demonstrate you how to click the link. So, you see my profile? Go to my profile and click on my picture. And here is the link. Oops. I can't do this. This is so hard. Okay. You click on the link. Boom. And then you go to the webinar. You see? Is today's webinar same as the one day before? Yes, it's the same as the day before, but it's different from the last month. So if you guys didn't attend the previous month, the day before, make sure to come. We're gonna talk about VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, how to delete duplicates, how to use some other cool tips to speed up your work. Happy New Year to you guys. Thank you so much. All right, 2 minutes till the webinar. Who is excited? I'm so excited. I'm drinking my tea. Always. Yay. When is the webinar? It's right now, guys, in 2 minutes, in 1 minute. Actually, I'm gonna disconnect right now. So I will see you guys at my webinar, free webinar Excel, link in my stories. So go to my profile, click on the picture, click on the link, and I will see you at the webinar. Yes, if you're a beginner, please come. It's gonna be great. Like, you will learn new things and it's not complicated. I will, guys, give you a step-by-step instructions. And also, everyone who attends the live webinar will get step-by-step guide for today's tips, and also will get a practice file. So not only you will, it's like a whole lesson. You get so many tips, and then you get a step-by-step guide, and you get a practice file. So once the webinar is done, you can go and practice and implement it to your work. The webinar is right now, guys. Actually, we're starting right now, so I'm going to disconnect from here, and I will see you at the webinar. Bye, guys.